It's so late already. 11:38 right now. So this morning, well, for like 30 minutes, I've been editing a video. Today I kind of wanted to talk about the struggle of making a video every day. First, I'm like still struggling with the format. Like, what do I want to show exactly? How much do I want to talk? How much do I want to show my face? I don't like my face. I have acne issues. I don't like it. It's also a struggle with like body image and all that. Like having to get ready for the camera, and it's taking time instead of just being in my sweatpants and whatnot, like right now. Also, I would like my videos to be more like video diaries, like the entries of a video diary, which is not really interesting in the sense that it's like I feel you really have to make your videos like super clickbait, and usually I feel like I've been lied to, like I'm going to click on something and then it's just the content, what the person is saying is not really that interesting. Maybe you're thinking the same thing right now. Video diaries can be interesting, but they are not clickbait worthy content, you see what I mean? And also, yeah, the issue with making a video every day that's kind of like a video diary is that you don't necessarily have a finished product, something finished to show at the end of the day. Also, what I do and film during the day is going to directly impact how much time I spend sitting in front of my laptop editing the video. And then how much time I spend sitting in front of my laptop editing the video is going to directly impact what I do and film during the day. So if during one day I spend 5 hours editing a video, then like that's half my day is gone. More than half my day actually is gone. On top of that, I've been really struggling with sleep. So like I've made video about time management and like finding the perfect schedule and all that. But the truth is that I really struggle not just to fall asleep, but to wake up in the morning, obviously. So I feel like I'm wasting a lot of time in the evening trying to fall asleep. But rather than getting up and working, like editing some videos, I'm thinking, no, I need to really try to fall asleep in order to have a good schedule. But I never manage to do that. And as a result, I always wake up like super late. I can't manage to wake up early. I should force myself, but wow, it's really windy outside. It's really a proper storm. So yeah, I should be able to force myself to get up early in the morning, but if it's for something else that I have an obligation, I manage to do that. But if it's just for me, I really struggle. And like, I shouldn't, because I should give myself some credit, you know, but like I can't manage to wake up early if it's just for me. So that way it's like I feel like half my day is already gone just trying to sleep or trying to get out of bed. I feel that if I fix my sleep issues, then already a lot would be fixed. So yeah, that's a few hours struggling with sleep issues, a few hours spent editing the video. Then I also need to find something interesting for the video to film. So that can be photography or music or art. But again, I don't necessarily have anything finished, a finished product to show. If it's like art or music, especially photography, it's fine. I go out and take some photos and then show them to you. And like, I haven't actually done anything artsy in years. I'm just disappointed in myself in the results, so I don't do it. But if I did it a little bit every day, then I would be more satisfied with the results because I would get better at it. It's a circle thing. But yeah, there are things like music or art, painting, whatever, that I would like to be able to do every day. They require regular practice. It's 1 p.m. Still so windy outside, but you don't necessarily have a finished product to show at the end of every day. Sometimes it's just you just warming up, not even working on a project, but that's still necessary to do every day because it's necessary in order to maintain your skill, in order to do projects. So I still think that even the practice could be interesting things to show in video diaries, but I'm kind of worried that showing that every day might get boring. So I still feel like I need to show something more interesting at the same time. But the problem is that time spent on trying to find some random idea and then filming and editing the video is time that is spent away from the music practice or the art practice. So yeah, I don't know, I'm still trying to find the right balance for that. The problem also of making video every day is that it's just like painting or music, it's a practice. So you see day after day, like what kind of beats you like, you don't like. But the problem with that is that I feel like pressed by time. I feel like, oh, this needs to work, you know what I mean? Like I'm basically putting pressure on myself to reach certain goals and stuff by this date and whatnot. The problem is that you can't really hurry up a process. If you want to do things properly, you need to put in the time. You can't invent more hours during the day. 2 p.m. guitar. Also, the biggest reason why I don't like things like painting or singing is because I don't like the results, because I don't really practice them. So the more I will practice and the more I will put myself out of my comfort zone, which will be painful, especially if I'm sharing this process. But the more I do that, the better I will get, the more chances I have to be satisfied with the results, with what I'm doing, and to then enjoy like painting or singing or whatever. I need to figure out the rhythm for the guitar. I don't really know what to do exactly. Also, I want to have a go at this one today, this drink. Lychee juice. Also, I guess that my problem is that these videos are not supposed to be my life and work, you see what I mean? But they are not supposed to be my main focus. Like for example, the photography, that's supposed to be the work. Photography or painting or music or whatever. And the video is supposed to be the witness of that. It's supposed to go all around. It's not supposed to be at the heart of things. So the problem is that I need to figure out a way, like not only what do I want to film, how do I want to show you things, but in a way that is not too much time consuming in terms of editing, right? Especially if I want to do a video every day. Because if it's consumed too much of my time, then I don't have time to live and to work. Is it working? Still super windy outside. It is 4:15. Okay, and I'm going to try to find some rhythmic for that too. It is 4:58. I just recorded some audio as draft for the bass. So what I mean really is that filming the videos, editing the videos, shouldn't get in the way of life. It should be about life. It should be around life. So for example, right now, it's Sunday. You know, Sunday, dimanche in French. Nearly 6 p.m. and I still have some video to edit tonight. I'm going to do like 1 hour before dinner and then like 1 or 2 hours after if I'm not done. But I'm just like everyone, I just want to have fun. So I'm going to have a little bit of strawberry soju in my tiny teacup and some crisps with that. Just because life has to be a little bit fun. It looks very pink, purple there. Yeah, it's not really like that. It's sort of more white. Smells really good, like the smell of strawberry is really nice. I do not plan on finishing the bottle tonight. Just one tiny cup. That is a double thumbs up.